Hey everyone, good morning. It's day 2 in Manali, and the problem we are facing now is actually we took a permit for beyond Rotang Pass for today's date, that is the 4th of July, 5th of July. But thing is, Akshay, one of our friend, is not feeling well, so we thought that we'll take a break in Manali only today. We'll rest in Manali, and tomorrow we'll go to Rotang Pass. But according to their rules, there should be a 1 day gap between two dates. Like we can't go tomorrow to Ladakh. We have to go day after tomorrow. So wasting a day, another day in Manali would not be a good thing. So what we are doing right now, we will be leaving for Rotang in just 1-2 hours. Right now I'm going don't know the exact name, to the Bajaj Service Center, which is 16 kilometers from Manali, and get my bike service there. And till then, Akshay and Ayush are getting ready. देखिए क्या किस तरीके से हैंडल मैनेज हो पाता है सब कुछ. That's our hotel, the pink one. That's our hotel, and now leaving for Bajaj Service Center. Now heading towards Patli, which is 20 kilometers from here. Just took 15 minutes from me to Manali. It's Kapoor Automobiles, authorized service center.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so as update, I'm in Patlikul right now, and Akshay just called me, confirmed me that we can go to Rotang Pass tomorrow, and we'll get a permit tomorrow only. That today's permit will be get cancelled, and so I am done with servicing, and bike is running as it's a new bike. No missing issues. That was before service. I am right now in Manali, and I met couple of riders who are coming from Manali. So they advised me to install that Ladakh carrier on the bike cause I have so much of luggage. Carrier looks like this. This is the carrier, and he's charging 2000 rupees. So Akshay's luggage and my luggage, I will carry both of the luggage on the bike. That carrier looks like, although it's not painted cause uncle was having one as a spare, so uncle gave me that one, and uncle said for paint it will take another 6-7 hours, so we don't have that much time, so we'll taking this.
12 o'clock midnight.
Hello guys, good morning. It's day 3 of our trip. We are now leaving for Darcha, which is 158 kilometers from here, and everything is all set, and now we'll fuel up and then we'll leave for that. First we'll encounter Rotang, then we'll reach Kelong, and from there Darcha. So let's hope for the best. So this is the route which will take us from Manali to Rotang Pass and so on. All the shops you are seeing on my left and my right side are of mechanics. हाँ सब सही है, बस मैं पहुँच के और एक बार ऐसी एरिया में आकर फ़ोन करूँगा. नहीं रास्ता ख़राब नहीं है, थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है, चढ़ाइयाँ आ जाती है और ख़राब नहीं होता है. be little careful because bike will try to move you here and there. And look at those views, those mountains. Truly nothing can beat nature, Mother Nature. Look at that view. That is so damn awesome. That's the checkpoint, Gulaba. Here we have to register our bikes. We have to show the permit. Then only they will allow us to go further. Roads are in not great shape. And the local drivers of Himachal, they are literally mukke maar do. It's covered with snow. See those guys, they are coming on cycle. This all is ice. And this is the Rohtang Pass. Finally, we reached Rohtang Pass. So we are 12 kilometers from Rohtang, and the roads are not bad. They are worst. Actually, they are not worst. They are more than that. And we came from this road. This was a shortcut. This was the shortcut. Above all, my mount just came off from the helmet. So I was taking it from this. We are crossing one of the Nala. Don't know the exact name. We are crossing river crossing. It is and it's damn cold. So let's see how we guys cross this thing. Crossed it. The roads are great, and I was riding at 80, 100, 80, 90 speed. And see that river. See those mountains. So this is petrol pump, the last petrol pump before Leh. For next 365 kilometers we won't be getting any petrol. So we have reached Koksar, and Kilong is 35 kilometers from here. And in Koksar you have to show your permit that you got from Gulaba for beyond Rohtang Pass. So we are showing that permit only, and after that only that area would be accessible for us. So this is Keelong city near Mesa in Keelong, and from here we will be going to this park. So we have entered in this park. This is this park where we will be taking a night halt. Most probably in the tents. यही रुकना है ना?
हाँ ये बढ़िया जगह है
हाँ? तीन जनों का कितना होगा भैया? तीन लोग हैं।
तो ऐसा होगा भैया हमारे पास डिनर ब्रेकफास्ट इंक्लूड होगा साथ में,
ठीक है।
है ना जी। तो आपको 1000 रुपये पड़ जाएगा पर पर्सन। यस, ब्रेकफास्ट भी होगा और डिनर भी होगा, टी कम्प्लीट होगी।
मतलब 3000 रुपये लोगे। 1000 rupees per person including breakfast and dinner. So we'll try to negotiate with them. We got it for 2400 rupees for 3, and including meals, dinner and breakfast. These are the bathroom, and it's pretty spacious, good enough for 3. Bikes have been parked outside. Here are the bikes, and you know, and view is amazing. Only negative point here in this spa or network. We won't be getting any network before Leh.
2 hours later.
For the night, Papad, rice, Ayush, Akshay,
आप खाओ।
dal chawal. It's too awesome. And after that long tiring ride, this is the best food one can have.
A few moments later.